IMF chief economist Ms. Geeta Gopinath, she is very right in mentioning that if you remove China from the current scenario of global growth, the world is actually going into negative growth. So China is right now serving as the engine of global growth. We must be very clear about that. China is not focused only on produce, sell, but also China is focused more on innovation, on ecological development, on sharing the benefits with others. So these new aspects in Chinese development will be beneficial for China's people as well as for the global community.